Hi guys, it's November 2nd, Monday, November 2nd. I do know the date today. I made sure I knew. Okay, so this is the end of the day. I forgot to film this in the morning because I had to be at work at 7 o'clock this morning. So it was a big early day and I'm about ready to fall over here, literally. So this is what I wore today though. I wore this. I got this at Walmart and this is a Time and True. It's really nice. You can see the pink in it. And these boxes here are gray. They're not white, they're gray. Like a light gray. And this is a really nice, like velour type fabric. It's nice. This is a nice shirt. And the thing I like about it, I had one of these I got a couple years ago, and this did not have like a button. This like had a button here, and then this was all open, and I felt really drafty. I felt a cold draft through there every time. This year, I'm stitching that sucker up. I'm going to do that before I wear it again. But I love the shirt, and it was a different brand. But this year they had the Time and Trues in these, and these were, I think they were $16. I think $14.96, $16, something like that. But I loved it, and I always get these in super, super big sizes because I always have a gaping issue because I am big busted. And with this, I'm not having that issue because I normally just size up. And I like it a little bit bigger and longer anyway. So, yeah. And I don't feel like this one's quite as boxy as the one I got before. Okay. And I'm planning on wearing some baby pink underneath it. Maybe some light gray underneath it or black. You know, I'm not going to always wear it buttoned up like this. But today I was really cold this morning when I got up. So I went ahead and did it. And then I just have one of these pair of jeans on, you know, the Time and True, the ones that have the elastic waist. I love these things. And you guys are going to, like I said, you guys are going to get sick of seeing them. And then I just wore tennis shoes today with this. And it was nice and warm. I stayed warm all morning. I never really got super hot or anything like that with it. So yeah, this is my outfit for the day. Let me know what you guys think, okay? And see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Hi Vixens, how are you today? I'm doing okay. I'm getting ready to go to work, and this is outfit of the day. Today is November 3rd. It is election day. So Tuesday, November 3rd. I think today, yeah, today's election day. Okay, so get out there and vote, guys, and let's see what happens. And I pray things go well so that we have a good future for our country. Okay, so outfit of the day today, I am wearing my new Nadine West top that I got the other day. Let me move you guys out here. I'm kind of in a hurry because I just about forgot to do this. And I thought, oh, I gotta get this done. Okay, so this is what I got on today. My little, I don't even know what the name of it was, but it's kind of a brickish red. And I decided to pair it with my green camo today. And just a pair of regular tennis shoes. They're not even green. They're just kind of white, blue, and purple, and different colors. And yeah, so that's it for today. I am going to wear this jacket. It's been really cold here. And my allergies are like kicking up today. So I had to take some allergy medicine. And I don't really feel like going to work, but I'm going to work. And I got this little jacket from Trenton a couple years ago. And it was an expensive jacket. It's a moto jacket. And yeah, I'm going to wear it today just as a jacket. I mean, I'm not going to have it on while I'm working, but just to have another layer of warmth. But yeah, I paid like $79 or $89 for this jacket. And I have not worn it a whole lot, to be honest, because the color has been kind of difficult to match. With stuff. So I thought, oh, I'm going to try it with this shirt. And I actually think it looks really cute. And then, it helps pick up some of the lighter greens off the camo pants. So, yeah, this is what I'm wearing today. So I hope everyone's doing well today. And I'm going to get out of here. So you guys take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Good morning, Vixens. It is November 4th, Wednesday, November 4th. Day after election. I haven't even checked to see if we have a winner or not for the election. So, I'm in a kind of a little bit of hurry. I got this top last night. I haven't even done a Walmart haul with it yet. But I got several tops last night, and this one was on sale for $1. And I really love the colors in it. I love the oranges and a little bit of the yellows, and there's some light pinks, some purples, and dark wines. I just really, really love this. I love the sleeves on this top as well. Now, this is a peplum and like a baby doll top, and it's probably not my best cut, to be honest. But once in a while, I think it's okay. I kind of really like it. It's a high-low. It's a little bit lower in the back, and it's a little bit higher in the front. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. This feels a little big. It was in the plus size section. This is Terra and Sky. Is that the name brand? I think it is of the Walmart. Terra and Sky. It was on the clearance rack. I just thought the colors were gorgeous. I couldn't turn it down. This is the 0X. So this is, I think, like the 14. And it's still, I feel like it's still a little big. I wish that they had these maybe in the regular sizes. But I do love the big flutter sleeve on it. Big, I don't know if it's yeah, like a big flutter sleeve. I like that. It's really nice. And today it's gonna be warm. It's warming up here. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna take advantage of that. I'm gonna wear some shorter sleeve stuff while I still can. This whole weekend it's supposed to be up in the 70s again. So while the weather is nice, I am gonna take advantage of it and just go back to wearing some short sleeves, some cooler clothes, and get some more use out of those before the weather just changes and I have to be covered up from here to here, you know, from here to toes, from here to the toes. But anyway, okay, so here we go. And then I just pair it with my cut from the cloth burgundy pants. They're skinnies. And then I've got my, no, you guys probably can't see it. Let me turn you guys down. Let me turn you down here. Okay, and my combat boots I got from Walmart in the burgundy. I got this for $19.99. I'm not sure what I paid for the cut from the cloth pants. And not a whole lot. I don't think I got a whole lot. I had like a bunch of points that I used, and I know the color of the boots and the pants aren't like exact, but you don't have to be exact. And then I got that color in the shirt as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I know these type of tops, baby doll tops, are not like my best, but I'm going to be wearing something over it anyway. And let me grab a jacket that I'm going to be wearing, so I'll show you that. Okay guys, I'm back. I don't know whether that just recorded or not, if I didn't get the, I don't know. I don't think I got the button push. I'm not even having a great couple days. Nothing has been going right for me the last few days, and I just about ready just to go get in my bed and say, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not doing nothing until this passes. So anyway, so yeah, here's the jacket I'm going to be wearing with it. When I get to work, this jacket will come off, but I always have something on over my clothes that I have to wear for work, which kind of sucks. But anyway, so I got the top for $1. $1. I think it was regularly like $13.96, $14.96, something like that. I need to go look. Hang on, let me go check. Okay, the tops are $15.87, and I got it for $1. You know, so I know it's not like my perfect style, but for $1, I can use it. I mean, I can use it under pieces. I can wear it under these little hoodies. I can wear it under cardigans. They're really, actually, kind of, these bigger tops are kind of nice for layering pieces because, you know, sometimes you wear a layering piece and it kind of gets lost. You don't see it. This kind of still kind of flows away from your tummy a little bit. So you can leave the cardi open or the jacket open and you're still hiding your tummy. And that's, I think, why I like this style. So anyway, and this has got a lot of different colors I can kind of mix and match with. I was trying to go with the orange. You can see with my eyeshadow, which my eyeshadow is a Dose of Colors Sassy Siennas. And I was trying to go with the orangey color, and I have a pair of corduroys in that color, but I cannot get them on. So Val's going to be hitting the exercising trail again. So I probably have gained, well, those were always kind of really snug on me. And I have the same pair in a different color, and those fit me just fine. Those I can put on, no problem, and I still can get them on. But these were always a little bit more snug, and now I just can't get them fastened. So anyway, I have not been exercising, and I need to get back on my exercising routine. So Anyway, if you guys want to hear me vlog about exercising and losing weight, let me know down below. I could do that as well. Or if you want to exercise with me, let me know. Or just watch me exercise. I don't care. I may put that up too. I do walking. I do all kinds of stuff here in my home. So, anyway, I'm going to get off of here, guys. I got to get to work. So, I love you. You take care. Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hi Vixens, welcome back to my channel. Today's outfit of the day, what I wore today. Okay, today is November 5th, Thursday, November 5th. All right, and so today I got this shirt last night. I actually got it to wear with a flannel. This color is the stripes in the flannel, but it's a little bit warmer today. But yeah, it wasn't just quite warm enough to wear short sleeve. I wore short sleeve yesterday and I was cold inside the building at work yesterday, about froze. So I thought, well, I'm at least going to wear a long sleeve today. So I got this for like $4.94. This is a men's long sleeve shirt, guys. Okay, so if you're looking for longer length tops or long sleeve shirts, go over to the men's sections at Walmart, and it's $4.94. You can't beat that. That's a pretty good price. I like the neck on it. It's not, you know, it's just a crew neck. These are super soft. They're really nice, and they had lots of different colors. So I'm going to go back and get some more. This is an extra large in the men's, and I like the length of it, but I may even want to go back and get maybe an extra large because I want something maybe a little bit baggier. And this is probably cotton, so it's going to shrink up a little bit. And then I got my leggings on, or actually my jeggings from Nadine West that I bought, I don't know, about a month or so ago. And yeah, the ones with the little zippers on, these are so comfortable. And I really like them. They got the back pockets. They got front pockets. Yeah, there they are. And they got little zippers. And they're really super straight. And these are the ones that's got like the lines coming through. So, and then I've just got a pair of my like silvery gray staple shoes and some silver gray socks. And that's it. That's my outfit of the day. So you guys have a wonderful day. I got to run. I'm running behind. I kind of laid in bed this morning because I did not want to get up. I have tomorrow off. So, yeah, I got today to go. And then we're gearing up for some Black Friday stuff. Black Friday sales this weekend at work. And they got tons of people going in earlier, like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. And they don't even have really that good of sales, I don't think, this year. So anyway, I got to go. You guys have a wonderful day. And thank you so much for joining me. And take care. Love you guys. I can get to shut off. Hi, Vixens. Welcome back to my channel, guys. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Valerie. And I have a little co-host, Violet, but she's normally not in my outfit of the day videos. And that's what we're doing today. Today is Friday, November 6th. And yeah, this is my only day off today. So I'm not really dressing up too much. I just have to run to the post office. I need to take my Nadine West package back and mail everything back that I've decided not to keep. And I decided to keep, I'm only keeping 2 items this time. I'm keeping that shirt, the really dark red brick shirt, that was kind of like a tunic length. I'm keeping that. It was a V-neck. I love that. I already wore it. Love it, love it, loved it. You'll see on this video I already wore it. I think it's on this video. And also these leggings, I'm keeping the leggings too. So everything else I'm sitting back, just because I have a Stitch Fix coming in and about a week and a half, couple weeks, and I have another Natalie Attired coming in. And so, yeah, I'm kind of really watching the budget. Like I said, I finance everything myself, so I've got to watch the budget. And I really would have liked to maybe have kept the necklace, and I didn't keep the dress because I found a dress that was comparable, and I did not keep now, I wouldn't say Sherpa, but they're not Sherpa line. They're just the line leggings. What were they? You know, they're like for winter. Anyway, those leggings, I got cheaper at Walmart too. So I found them cheaper at Walmart. I already had a pair that looked pretty much the same. So I couldn't see spending the, what was it, $22.99 for those, or $21.99 for those, because I already had a pair. And then the dress was like $32.99, and the dress that I found that was comparable was like 13 bucks. So I sent those back. So Nadine, you need to get your prices a little bit better. If they had been like, you know, a couple bucks more, I probably would have just chosen the Nadine West one. But anyway, so today I just got to run to the post office. It's already like 3:30. I slept most of the day because I closed at work last night. It's my only day off this week. I got to go back to work tomorrow, and I'm going to work another 5 days, and then I'll finally get 2 days off in a row. So it's going to be kind of a rough week for me. I am down to 14 days left on day shift, and technically out of those 14 days, only 9 of those I'm going to have to actually work. So I'm really hoping the time goes fast as I'm ready to go back on third shift. So anyway, so this is what my outfit of the day. This is what I got. One of these tunics, and it was I think on one of my last Walmart video haul thing. I got several of these tunics, and it was $11.44, and I just love these. And I wanted some tunics so I could wear with my leggings. And then I decided to get these leggings from Nadine West. And these were a little bit more pricey. I think these were $22.99, but they're hard to find really cool leggings like this. And I really liked them, okay? And I put my little white booties on, and I wished they had a white shirt like this. I think that would look cute. But I don't have white shirts, so I just put on this grayish silver one, and I thought it's kind of heathered enough with a little bit of white in it that I thought that I could probably get by with wearing it with these. I think it looks good. And I'm just going to be tooling to the post office and back home. And then once I get back home, I don't know what I'm going to do. I have actually a Walmart haul I need to film, and I got some cleaning I need to do. It's just going to be kind of a low-key day. I'm not doing a whole lot, to be honest. And I've already kind of played with Violet this morning, and she's kind of pouting because I think she wants to go back out because it's really nice out today. I've had her out a few times, so I probably, when I get back, I need to take her out and let her just roam around outside, and we'll play a little bit outside and stuff. So that's outfit of the day for you guys today. And I did want to show you guys these earrings. I think you've seen these before in other hauls or other videos. And I thought these looked really, really good with this shirt because they're like a clear, and then they've got like silver little pieces in there. Silverish, grayish, and I thought it looked really cute with this shirt, okay? So, and then I've got my mint mongoose necklace on, and I had earrings to match these, and that's one of the pairs that I lost, and I was really upset about it because I really loved them. But yeah, so I got my mint mongoose necklace on today. I don't have any rings on today. My hands are really hurting with my arthritis because whenever the weather changes, it just really kills me. If it gets, you know, starts getting really warm really quick, then my hands hurt. If it gets starts getting colder really fast, you know, my joints hurt. It's in my fingers, and it's mainly in my fingers, but I feel it in my hip, and I feel it in my knees too. So, and sometimes my ankles. So getting old is just not fun. So if you guys are young, don't get old. And if you are getting old, just take care of yourself, okay? So I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope everybody is taking care of themselves. And if you're new here, before you leave, please hit the subscribe button. We're trying to get to 300 subscribers. We are up to 268, guys. Woohoo! We keep moving up, and I'm so thankful for all of you who are subscribing. I really do appreciate it more than you really know. And we hit 300, guys, and we're going to do a giveaway. I'm going to do a gift card of your choice. So it can be a styling service. It can be any place that I can do a gift card, okay? So, yeah, let's get to 300. Share my videos if you're already subscribed, and get them out to your friends and family, and make sure they subscribe. And if you're new and just stopping by, please subscribe, and then you guys can be qualified just to, you know, go ahead and get in the giveaway too. So I'm going to get off here and quit rambling. You guys have a beautiful, beautiful day, and I love you all so very much. Bye-bye.